Ano po masasabi nyo sa credit to cash ng BPI? I'm Joyce Tanque, your practical finance expert. So whether it's credit card, it's loan, this is actually cash loan or personal loan. Madali yan makuha yung pera in 24 hours, i-credit na sa'yo. That's good. But what's not good is meron niyang interest, ikaw pa rin magbabayad yan kasi utang yan. 24 hours, approved ka na. It's flattering kasi, di ba, nafe-feel mo, wow, pwede ako, bilis ko makautang. Pero be careful unless this is really emergency. Benefit mo as a credit card holder or an account holder, pero please don't use it, especially dun sa mga luho natin or lifestyle. Talagang nakaka-tempt. Kaya having all these credit cards, bank also, lalapitan ka talaga nila because of course this is still business. Ang pinaka-iingatan mo talaga ay your credit and your credit score kasi pag nasira na yung credit score mo, mahirapan ka na umutang and ayaw mo magbayad ng interest. Yung interest na nasi-save mo pang bayad sa bank, you can use that interest na ikaw na lang magbe-benefit nun. So instead na umutang ka, why not invest it and get a lot of good interest rates. So meron akong post dyan on interest rates of banks, of digital banks. Like and follow.